Hey, if you don't know so already, this is Driving with Miles. I'm a state certified instructor. I teach teens and adults. Those of you who've seen my content understand that I prepare you for the DMV test, road test. So we're going to go ahead and talk about merging on the expressway. So let's go ahead and get it. So we're in the center turn lane. Our signal's on early. We've checked our mirror and blind spot. We have a yield sign. We have to yield to oncoming traffic. Traffic is clear. Now we're on this S curve. So if you go too fast early, you'll lose control. But if you don't go fast enough, you will get cut off. So I'm turning on my left turn signal. I'm getting up to speed. I look over my left shoulder. I do see a green garbage truck. So I'm going to go ahead and accelerate up. Speed limit here is 70, but you can tell it is really bad condition. So I'm going to go ahead and merge out into the nearest lane. I'm at about 65 miles an hour. And I'm just taking my time. On your DMV test, your road test, they will make adjustments on the route and the conditions based upon the weather. So I'm in the first lane, which is the smooth lane. I'm taking my time. I have good speed control. So you want to get comfortable with the car you're driving. You should already have been out in the vehicle before, so this shouldn't be anything new. The rain does make people a little bit nervous and apprehensive. It does for all of us. So I'm going to go ahead and make a lane change to the left. So it's mirror, turn signal, blind spot. Once I'm in the lane, I cancel my blinker, and I did. So I'm readjusting my speed, obviously because of the weather. And I'm staying smooth. Your DMV tester or road tester will look for you to check your mirrors and blind spots. I'm at about 67 miles an hour, taking my time, not going really fast, but being safe. Your DMV tester, road tester will look for you to have safety. As you can tell, this car ahead of me is in a hurry. So you want to be a good role model and back off your speed, take your time, because in conditions like this, it doesn't make sense to drive unsafe. So I'm actually at about 65 miles an hour now, keeping my distance. There's a big truck ahead of me. There's no reason to speed. I'm taking my time. And typically your DMV tester or road tester, now the speed limit has changed to 55, so I'm at about 54 miles an hour now. So maintain a good speed control. The speed limit and the freeway will end in a half mile. So I'm just maintaining good distance and speed control, taking my time. For teaching purposes, I want to make a lane change to the right. So it's mirror, turn signal, blind spot. Once I'm in the lane, I cancel my blinker. I'm readjusting my speed, noting the heavy volume of traffic. It's about 2:37 in the afternoon. So I'm just slowing down, being aware of the warning signs, cars cutting in front, cars cutting beside, because no one wants to be beside a truck. And I'm maintaining a really safe distance, taking time. You'll see cars cutting back and forth all the time. So you just want to keep good space. We have a solid white line here. In some states, you'll get a ticket just like this truck. They just cut in front. So if I was testing a student, I would definitely mark you down for that, because it is a dangerous maneuver. All you have to do is wait another 20 feet, and then you can get over. So you see cars cutting back and forth. So this is a really good teachable moment. So never be in a hurry to take your test. Good DMV testers, good road testers are patient. They'll make adjustments, and they want to see you do your best. So I'm just taking my time. There is a truck to my left, so I'm just being aware of my speed and position. It's nothing you really can do because the heavy volume of traffic. So the DMV tester, road tester will understand this, and they will adjust the course. They just want to see you do your basic head checks, do your safety checks, check your lane, check your blind spot. So even though the speed limit is 45, we're at about 26 miles an hour. So I'm looking ahead, looks like I see a police situation, so I'm just taking my time. You never want to be that much in a hurry, because you will definitely have an accident, and it will definitely cause more grief for you later on. So I'm just maintaining good speed control. The flow is picking up. I'm just taking my time and keeping my space. If you've seen my content before, I always talk about keeping space. You should already have been subscribed to my content, looking at it, because this is definitely bad weather. In bad weather like this, you want to take your time. You want to make sure your headlights are on. You have good windshield wipers, which we have both of those boxes checked off. I'm maintaining good speed control, and I'm taking my time. Just because it's bad weather doesn't mean the DMV tester will end the test abruptly. It's based on the volume of traffic, the weather conditions, and other factors, because we definitely want to see you drive. We want to see you make good decisions. So let's kind of talk about this. I'm a certified instructor. I teach teens and adults. I've been doing this 21 years. If you haven't already done so, you need to subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's called Driving with Miles. I have about 130 videos already up, and more content is coming. I appreciate all the support. I do read the comments, and I'm looking forward to interacting with all of you very soon. God bless you.